My name is Pastor Jonathan Musosi. I'm the president of East Zimbabwe Conference, and we think that trust services is going to be very vital for the progress of the work in East Zimbabwe Conference. We are hoping that many of the church members will be able to remember the church when you write your wills. Among us, we have got lawyers who are willing to help us to write wills free of charge for the church members, and we are hoping to organize this program during our camp meetings. We will have lessons given to our church members. You will be able to write your wills so that you can continue to support the work of the church in East Zimbabwe Conference, and we are going to organize more of these trust services in different churches and different programs. Conduct the trust services at East Zimbabwe Conference. Pastor Mnaiwa will be able to link you with lawyers who can assist you to write your will. And remember the church as you do your wills.